why our room is not ready and been waiting for over an hour.
This is unacceptable. We had an early flight and expecting to check in on time. Now we're exhausted.
And we need to freshen up before our tour starts. Can you help us?
I am really sorry for the inconvenience. I understand how important it is to get quickly on your room after a long day. Let me see what I can do to help.
We just want to relax before our plan.
Yes, it's frustrating to start our trip.
Please, we're counting on you.
I completely understand how frustrating it must be to wait when you are tired and ready to settle in. And it's our goal to provide a smooth experience, so we are sorry we fell short this time.
Excuse me.
Good day, ma'am. Could I get some assistance?
I sincerely apologize for the delay. We strive to meet our guest expectation, and I'm so sorry we didn't deliver this time. We truly apologize for the inconvenience, and we appreciate your patience. To make it right, I'd like to offer you a complimentary drinks to our lunch while we prepare your rooms. We'll expedite the cleaning process, and I personally ensure that your room are ready within 15 minutes.
I will also check your rooms personally to keep you updated.
That's very kind. Thank you.
We appreciate the gesture.
That will definitely help us relax.
Thank you for all your understanding and patience. We value your stay and hope to make the rest of your trip enjoyable.
And thank you for bringing this to our attention so we can